Okay, so this is the symbolic scene. The artwork is Assyrian, and it was made in about 865 to 860 BC. The period is Mesopotamia. It is from Numrid Northwest Palace. So the object is a wall panel relief. There isn't much historical relevance on this item other than King Ashurapel appears twice within here, so you can see it first right there, and then there's another parallel of him on the other side, so it's like two of him. So I think the most important thing about this piece is the symbols that are within it. So the king is dressed in a ritual robe, so it could symbolize some sort of authority or role in power. And the tree most likely symbolizes life. And then the king makes a gesture to worship the god at the point of the panel. So at the very middle, right above the tree, you see this thing that kind of looks like an angel wing. But if you look closer inside, there's a face, or almost like a god, if that makes sense. So you can tell that he's at the very top, and that even the king is below him. So I liked this work because it had a lot of intricate details. I can't zoom in right now, very sadly, but the photo had very specific details in the facial hair of the beard, which I found very, very specific, and all the measurements between each piece was almost exactly precise. I was also kind of curious about this because of the king being on both sides. I'm not exactly sure what that would symbolize. So at first glance, it doesn't really look like, it's hard to tell kind of what's going on, but as you look at it closer, you can really start to see the deeper meaning. So I think that this is pretty similar to other pieces in the time period because another panel in the exhibit was the Royal Lion Hunt, and that was pretty similar as well. So the assumed god in the painting is Smashwash, and with a ring on one hand, it represents an ancient Mesopotamian symbol of God given kingship. Thank you.